What's good? It's your boy Dukes, man. I'm back with another video. Today's video, we're gonna be talking about locks, starting locks. You know, if you were planning on starting your locks, you know, what made me get locks, and y'all like, this boy got his hair locked up now. Yes, you know, last time y'all saw me, I had like some nappy ass hair. I ain't even had no hair for real. I had like some BDBs, I think. Yeah, so basically, what got me to lock my hair up is, you know, I don't know why I always been like one of the people that wanted to do it, but I've been told by a lot of people like, yo, head not, y'all ever heard somebody say, yo, head not shaped or something, or like, when I was a little kid, I used to want a mohawk, and my dad used to be like, your head ain't shaped for a mohawk. Because I guess, like, for certain shit, had like a box-type frame head. Everybody technically got one. But basically, I went ahead and dreaded my hair because, you know, first I had a twist. I had the two-strand twist, but my shit was turning into dreads in a way. Like, they was actually starting, like, the person who did my dreads, I was like, your stuff look like locks. You might just lock your hair. But I actually went in there to get two-strand twist, redid to my head on my, what was it? It was the day before my birthday. No, it was actually the day of my birthday, I think. But the day after, it was either the day of or the day after, I think. I went in there to get my hair retwisted, thinking so I could retwist my hair. And the lady actually was like, you might as well lock your hair up. And I was actually like on some like no shit. Like I don't even go back in there and like let her touch my head. But I don't know. Some just was like, shit, you might as well go ahead and do it. Shit, the worst thing can happen is you cut your hair off. I mean, I already ain't got a lot of hair, so my shit ain't that long as y'all can see. But she actually told me I started my dreads kind of like long. So what I will tell y'all is like when starting dreads, like if your stuff like at least like, I'll say like an inch or 12 your head, bro, you can start. But some things I learned since I've had my dreads for like the last like it ain't that long, y'all, like 2 weeks, 3 weeks. This is 2 weeks and 3 weeks of growing. I'm finna tell y'all how my hair grows so fast. I'm finna shout this company out. The reason why my hair's so long already and I only had them locked for like 2 weeks is because I put this oil in my head, bro. It's kind of like interesting because I actually bought it for my face thinking it was like a facial toner like to fix my face, but really it's like an all-purpose oil. So I used it for my hair, and I actually reached out to the company, let them know like, you know, what the bam, it works for your hair too, and they was like, oh really, you mind sending pictures? And at the time my stuff was like, it was already like matted and like not nappy, but like it got like a lot of new growth in it, and like I really wanted to like re-get it done and take pictures like a review video. So I'm gonna wait till like November and keep using it. I'm gonna see if I really like was honest about what I said. I seen the results, but everybody don't believe you at first. But yeah, so when starting dreads though, man, you gotta make sure you actually, I was told you can't wash your hair, so y'all gotta be ready to be dirty for like 6 weeks because your hair can't be washed. She said if you wash your hair when you first get them locked, they can fall out. So I actually had to go like, it's been like 3 weeks now. I went 3 weeks so far without washing my hair. She just washed it when she retwisted it like this week. So she told me though, don't come back for 6 weeks. Like I have to let my shit like grow. But me as a person, I don't know. I'm just like like when I want to do something, bro. Like since I was a child, whenever I want to really do something, I have to have my hair like up to par. I feel like your hair's like your shoes. You don't buy dusty shoes and put a brand new outfit on it. You know, so I don't want my hair to be all nappy and mad. I know with dreads, y'all like, but bro, your hair gonna be matted and nappy anyway it goes. You want your shit to grow, you gotta watch the new growth come in. I know that, but I'm saying like, I know now. I'll say because when I first got them, like soon as that bitch. All right, y'all. So I'm back. So, I'm gonna put the link to this bottle. I actually need to get some more. It's like a little bit left, but this is the brand that I shop with. Hold on, I'm gonna turn the camera so I can see the brand name. So this is the brand that I use. 50 Shades. Let me see. 50 Shades Luxury. I'm gonna tag the link. But the way they like tags out, you really can't see their name for some reason. You gotta have the oil in it for you to read the name for real. But this is a blemish repair oil, y'all see, but it actually works great for hair too. This shit works for hair, bro. I promise you, this will boost your hair up, and literally like by the next day you will see like new growth coming in like no other. Like, bro, it's easy. Like I promise you, it's so easy to like grow your hair. But when starting locks, bro, please sleep with something on your head. Make sure you covering your cap up all the time. Like I'm gonna make a video of my nightly routine and what I do for my dreads, but please make sure you cover your head up. When you don't, it will make your hair like, you know, they can slip out or it'll mess it up. If you want your shit to be neat like I do, take care of your health. Like I know it's dreads, y'all feel like it could get nappy, it could. Bro, take pride in yourself, bro. Don't be out here looking like no fucking dust. Don't use dreads as an excuse to be dirty. Take care of your fucking self, all right? But on that note, another thing, when getting your hair washed, bro, don't wash your own hair. I'm gonna say that because as time goes on, bro, you gonna see like it's a lot of dirt building up your hair because you going days without washing your hair, you going days without putting water in your hair. So it's like until I guess I think I can do it now. I'm gonna wait a little bit, probably like the end of this month I'll wash my hair, honestly. Like, that's how long I was told to wait. It helps the hair grow. But yeah, so just take care of y'all hair, man. This is gonna be a short video. I'm gonna make a part 2 of my nightly routine and what I do personally for my hair to like make sure it stays the par. I don't have a lining. When starting dreads, you got choices too. Like, I did it to where like I didn't get my whole head like dreaded, you know what I'm saying? Like, I got it to where like I can get haircuts and stuff still. And you see, I got a little hang time, or I can't shake it. I can't do that yet, but it's coming. See how they stand still? But yeah, like I got mine like a little bit in front of my, like a little bit behind my my line, because I actually was told by my hairstylist as well as other people that if you like get your dreadlocks like right here, like on the edge of your hair, they actually have a better chance of like falling out, or like you know, like they'll break off easier. So just take care of yourself and make sure you like do your research before starting dreads. It sounds like an easy thing to do, and make sure it's what you want to do, because once they're in your head, they're like stuck. I know people who can really take them out, but it could take a long time to get them removed, and it costs a lot of money because it takes the person who's doing it a long time to like remove them and like, you know, like get the dreads out of your hair. It takes a very long time, bro. It's like really like picking through matted hair to like find the strands that's like holding it all together, because this is like a knot at the tip of your head now. So after a while, it's gonna get stuck and all that. But yeah. So just take care of your hair, man. Like I said, I'm gonna post my plug for my hair growth method in the description, and I'm gonna tag the Instagram, I'm gonna tag the website, I'm gonna tag the email, the owner. You can, whatever you need to do to get this oil, bro. I promise to God, this oil works wonders. I'm gonna do an updated video by next month showing you guys my result of where my hair is today, which is October 16th. I want to do it again November 16th and just show you guys. I should have at least an inch or two of hair, maybe even 3 inches of hair like growing in. I'll tell you, that's how fast this shit work. Like, no cap. Like, y'all gonna see. And big shout out to them. It's a black owned company, small business, you know what I'm saying, up and coming business. They're you know, they're new out here, but shit, I'm supporting them because they work. Anybody that work, I'm gonna support you. But yeah, man, thanks for tuning in. This is another video by, you know, your boy Dukes, Urban Outlaw TV. Shop the brand. I'm putting the brand in the description. You know, if you want to support the brand, you can. Quick shipping. We ship in a day. The same day you order, you get your package shipped to you that day, as long as it's after, like, before 3 p.m. My bad, because then I can't ship it because stuff closes. But yeah, man, thanks for tuning in. Part 2 coming soon. The nightly routine. I might do it tonight just to drop it, just so y'all can have like boom back to back videos to watch. But we'll see.